What's up, guys? Matt, Legacy 4x4. We're going on a trip tomorrow morning. I feel like I haven't seen a pretty sunrise in a while, so we're gonna go check out Peters Mill, off-road Peters Mill Gap. I don't know, it's a Jeep badge of honor. I'm gonna go do some exploring in the 87 Samurai, the quote-unquote side-by-side build. The one sitting over there. I'll go load it up in a second. But I just would like to preface why I'm not taking any of the other toys with me. That's too heavy, and Dodge needs a redneck Ram and probably an Atlas before it can actually be wheeled, because the transfer case is gonna blow up and the steering sucks. So Dodge is gonna sit there until I get those parts. As for the 88 Samurai, as you can see, we got a Total Metal Innovations beadlock kit coming in the mail, and those have yet to arrive. So no beadlocks for the 88. I much rather would take the 88, since the 87, the blue one, is mostly for farm use. But either way, 88's gonna sit here and wait for TMI beadlocks. But I'm digressing. Let's get to loading up the 87 Samurai and getting ready for a little adventure. Little Samurai side-by-side action at Peters Mill today. We're gonna go do a little exploration. So yeah, exploration is what I meant to say there. Anyway, we're gonna go explore Peters Mill off-road with the weekend build. My brother and I built this in a weekend. Samurai sidekick Suzuki build thing. Not sure what to call it. Anyways, we're gonna go explore, try and find some tough trails to bring the hardcore rigs back. But overall, just have a good time with the sidekick Samurai. Side-by-side, side-by-side. You know what I'm trying to say, the small Samurai, the one without big tires and multiple transfer cases and stuff like that, the fun, quick one. All right, so I would like to preface this whole thing as I'm an idiot and only brought one GoPro battery, so we'll be using iPhone footage in combination with GoPro when we get to GoPro parts. So that's my bad, but we'll make do. We'll have a good time. Let's get started. In terms of obstacles, it's mostly just these wishy-washy mini rock gardens with, you know, basically pebbles everywhere, but you know, not too bad. Fun way to drive, fun way to spend the day. Dare we try some sticky mud piles? I think we might as well. Okay, taking a little break. As you can see on this sign, we have a decision. Are we gonna take the most difficult trail or the easiest trail? I think the Suzuki's ready for the most difficult. Like I said, this Suzuki isn't crazy. There's nothing super badass about it. It's got manual steering, like maybe 29-inch top 30-inch tires, leaf springs. I mean, nothing super crazy about it, but it is a Suzuki Samurai, and it does have a winch. So we're gonna take the most difficult, see what it is. And maybe we'll find some offshoots that we can bring the real crawlers to. All right, update, made it through. We had about an inch to spare. I should have got that on camera, but I didn't want to waste the GoPro battery. So we're on the most difficult trail. wheelbase fits by an inch, so we'll see what the Samurai can do. All right, so these little rock bouncing like ATV trails where you just kind of pop up it, there's not a lot of talent, and my talent meter was definitely running low, where it's kind of just like you let the car drive itself. You just bounce and find a pocket, and then you know, maybe you can find some smaller pockets where you can put your tires, but it's really you let the car drive itself. So no talent there, but we're going to continue puttering up these steep rock steps. Should be fun. Tough reach to grab down and grab that, but we were sitting at a little bit of an angle, and we hold this level. This is about the angle we're sitting at. We've just got more rocks coming our way, so this is the same thing over and over again, just these little rock gardens with 12-inch rocks. So I'm gonna putz up to the top. If I see anything cool, I'll stop and record more, but until then, catch you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna enjoy some me time. What's up, guys? So I just decided to try and crawl that rock pile and ran into a slight issue. I got pushed a little too far right on the rock pile, and I lost my front wheel off the rock pile, and almost had a little mishap, but I'm by myself, winched off it, all good. Here's the clip. It would be nice to have a spotter strap on this side. Looks like we're gonna winch it. You may be wondering why I didn't just pop off that rock and go flat. It's just not worth it to do while I'm by myself. If I had a spotter strap or something on it that made it life a little easier, definitely would have just drove right off that, would have gone flat. Only had the log to deal with, but I'm by myself. I don't want anything catastrophic to happen, so we're gonna winch it off. All right guys, we're starting to go downhill now. It's the same thing, just rock gardens downhill ATV path. So I'm not gonna record any of the downhill. I'm gonna put the helmet on so I'm safe, and I'll check in with you guys when I'm down there, and we're gonna take the easy section back. That way we can work on some speed stuff with the Samurais. All right, I dare say this helmet doesn't protect the beard much, but oh, you know, is what it is, I guess. I got bugs all over me. I went down that a little fast. I was in first gear, 2-wheel drive, so I was kind of just plopping down, letting the gearing control my speed about, 15 miles an hour. So yeah, I'm stoked with that. We've made it down. I'm gonna go check around the Suzuki, make sure there's no damage, and we're gonna blast back to the truck. Should be a fun little journey. All right, strapped up, ready to go. Didn't break anything besides a known leak on this propane heater hose. You see it right there, that's leaking. It's kinked. And you get a 90-degree fitting and fix that hose. That's on me. I didn't run out of coolant or anything, so like whatever. But that's been broken, so known. Only issue that I've seen so far is a known issue. I guess you could also call this sleeve spring pack coming out of alignment an issue, but a couple swings with a hammer and that'll get fixed. And yeah, no real issues, man. These Suzuki Samurais are pretty damn bulletproof. So yeah, really happy with it. Happy with how everything turned out. That was a fun little morning adventure. I'm gonna take it home, fix all the issues with it, and probably let it park until I need it for farm work. So, Suzuki Samurai can crush ATV trails all day long, and pretty fun. And you look cool when you're doing it. So yeah, I will catch you guys next time.